This video shows western Cuba getting hit by a storm surge and super strong winds. People in Florida use sandbags to prepare for the same impact from the storm named Hurricane Ian.
My name is Brian Hoeth.
Emergency response meteorologists like Brian Hoeth
I'm an emergency response specialist with the National Weather Service.
are working in downtown Fort Worth to get hurricane information to other emergency personnel in several states, including people working on the Texas coast.
This will mostly just be a beach concern for the coastal areas of Texas, and that'll just mostly be a rip current threat.
That threat prediction comes from the Southern Region Headquarters Regional Operations Center, known as the ROC. It's staffed 24/7 as Brian and his coworkers try to predict Ian's next move.
This is going to be a very tough week for Florida.
So tough that military officials have relocated F-16s from Homestead Air Force Reserve Base in Florida to Fort Worth, and more aircraft is on the way from Jacksonville International Airport. After working through storms like Hurricane Harvey, Brian warns, pay attention to information from the ROC, especially Texans with family and friends in Florida.
Make sure that you're in contact with them, and make sure that they're heeding the advice of their local authorities.
In Fort Worth, I'm Scoop Jefferson.